So, if you're watching this video, chances are this happened to you. So right there, let's see, right there, my dipstick. Okay, I went to take that out one day, and ooh, it broke off. Now I'm going to show you how I fix this, and this has happened to me a few times now. I'm going to show you how I fix this, and if you stay to the end, I'm going to tell you what a mechanic told me to do so it never happens again. Okay, so there it is, broken there. You can see the seal, I believe. Look at that. Alright, and I've got the drill bit on the drill. Now, because you got to do this with such precision, it's got to be bang on, square, straight down. I'm not going to show you the drilling. I'm just going to do it, and then I'll get back to you. Okay, I drilled her out, and you can't see for all the sediment in there. But I also took the seal out of there, which goes to make me believe that what that mechanic told me is but I'm going to try it anyway. Anyway, I got the screw started. I'm just going to take my screwdriver, get it so that it's nice and snug, and then I'm going to pull it out. So there it is. Sorry I didn't get to show you that. But you tighten it up until she's just snug. Don't overdo it, because you'll just strip it. You're going to make the hole nasty, big. And then you grab your pliers, and then you just pull her out. Popped right out. That's a $35 dipstick. That's crazy. Oh, look at that. I'm good with the oil. Hey, not bad. Okay. So here's what the mechanic told me to do. Is he said just to take the seal right off, because I used to religiously I'd oil this seal with the oil from the dipstick and it did not help. So he says take that seal right off and it'll never get stuck again. So, you know, maybe it was the seal, because the seal was showing, it just pulled right out real super easy. So I'm going to take the seal off of here and I'm going to start using my dipstick without a seal. I'll bet you it lasts a lot longer. Like he said, he's done his for years, and he said don't worry about pressure, there's no pressure there. And he said he's never had a dipstick break again. So I'm going to just pull the seal right off. So there it is, I took the seal off, and I'm just going to push it right back into the dipstick, right there. And hopefully, that'll never ever happen again. Let me see how it feels. Oh, that's way easier. That's never going to happen again. That's like so easy now. Never, ever, ever going to happen again. So, that's like my third one I've had to replace. Now all that can go in the garbage. And put my tools away and I'm done. Hey, if you like this stuff you can do on your own, stuff that I've learned, you know, give me a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys around. Bye for now.